Ay mga ka-vibes, yung anak ko may ngipin na gusto niyang tanggalin. Ayaw niyang patagalin pa. So, try natin to.
Try it.
Okay, let's go. Come here. Are you okay? Are you okay? Okay. Wait, Macy. You sure? Isa. Ay! Teka lang ha. Are you strong enough, baby? Are you okay? It's okay nga we'll remove this teeth? Are you okay? Open mouth. Okay. Big mouth. This one. Ay, teka lang. So, natalay ko na. Try ko to. Biglain. Okay, ha? Kalbaan ko. 1. Wait! Okay, guys. So, let's have a second try. Palpak yung first try. Strong si baby? Strong? Another. Third time. Third try.
Pumuki mong string.
Ha?
Pumuki mong string.
Fourth time. 1, 2. Ay, Diyos ko, bakit ganun? Ay, sana naman successful ni. 1, 2. Done! Ay, salamat. So, ito yung ayan, tooth niya. Be, may ang teeth. No more ka teeth. Ay, success after 5th try. Look at your teeth. Oh, no! Here's the teeth, guys. Ito yung teeth ni baby. Yun lang kadali. Ang hirap pala. So, yun lang. Bye sa lahat. What's that? Bye na. Bye, guys. No more teeth, guys. Okay, bye.